So you've decided to start an LLC and now you're pondering over which state to choose for setting up your company, right? Let's dive into some interesting facts and figure this out together. Let's begin with the classic LLC option, Delaware. It's like the celebrity of states when it comes to forming an LLC. A significant number of Fortune 500 companies have chosen Delaware. And there's a reason for that. This state offers great legal protections for companies and a well-established body of corporate law. Moreover, the court system here, known as the Court of Chancery, primarily focuses on business matters, providing speedy resolutions to business disputes. But if saving on startup costs is more your vibe, then you might want to give Nevada a thought. You see, in Nevada, there are no franchise taxes, and the annual fees are relatively low. Plus, Nevada offers strong protections against personal liability, which is a sweet deal for business owners. Now let's swing our focus to Wyoming, a state that's emerging as a popular choice for LLCs due to its business-friendly laws and low fees. Also, it offers solid asset protection, ensuring that your personal assets stay untouched in case your business faces any liabilities. Moving forward, don't ignore the Sunshine State, Florida. It's not just great for its beaches, but also has a thriving business community. Setting up an LLC here is pretty straightforward and comes with the added bonus of no state-level income tax. Lastly, considering the state where you reside can be a good option too. It simplifies many aspects of running a business and can offer you a peace of mind, knowing that you're operating under laws and regulations you are already at least sort of familiar with. Now that we've explored these options, remember, wherever you decide to set up your LLC, we are here to help streamline the process at legalregistration.com. We've got the expertise and resources to assist you in setting up your LLC in any state. We handle all the complexities of licensing and registration on your behalf, making the journey smoother for you. We pride ourselves on being the #1 third-party organization for setting up LLCs for folks in any state. Trust us to take care of all the paperwork and formalities, leaving you with more time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. To get started now, call our entity formation specialist right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what are the top 3 states you're considering as you plan to get your LLC off the ground? Please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.